Just before we dive into the next episode, just wanted to say thanks to everyone who'd watched the first couple of videos, liked and subscribed. We only launched 2 nights ago, and already we've had a bunch of people watching and had some subscribes and a couple of comments. So it's been great. I just wanted to dive into these comments. And the first comment: great job, you're doing so well. I can see this being a really great series. That's just really nice to hear. I hope it's going to be a really great series. I can tell you it's going to be a really long series. I know that's going to be the case, but anyway, that's really great to hear. But it was the second comment. Quello è normale, no special, which translates to the Fiat 128. It's just normal. It's not a Fiat 128 special, which coincidentally I only heard this morning from the previous owner because I sent him a link to the channel because I thought, he's going to get a real kick out of it. And he got back to me and said, yeah, Matt, I forgot to tell you, it's not a 128 special. So thanks for telling me. But now I know. It's because they'd put 4-wheel disc brakes on it. And, they thought it was a bit special, so they put a Fiat 128 special badge on it. And because it also had the 1.3 litre engine, which is not from that car, is from a coupe, I still thought it was a 128 special, but now I know different. So all I can do really is I'm just going to remove any mention of special where I can. Keep liking and subscribing, and let's get on with the next episode. First job of the day. I think we're going to try and take a bit more paint. Start working on this a bit. Get a bunch of that off. Just with the paint stripper. Keep working on this. Maybe put a bit of paint stripper on it. Just while I feel sanding back that one over in the outer corner. Well, I'm just going to start by using a bit of degreaser on the for this one back. Clean. I always like to just give the stuff that I've already taken the paint off a bit of a clean, get all the dust in it. Just makes it, you're going to be here for a couple of hours. Get your picture and again what it might look like when you're finished, if you ever finish. Where? We hit that with paint stripper, that with paint stripper, the front panel, fender, and maybe the back one. Just get the party started. No. get it on. Oh, this one's getting close. Nick the tyre before. Man, stinks. Oh, first one for the day. Paint strip has been on. Don't know, maybe 15, 20 minutes. Starting a little bit. Let's listen and see if it's still sizzling. No, not really. Doing a bit there. Yeah, back here, even though there's not a lot of paint on here, some more bulk than paint. Don't look at the boot. Whatever you do, don't look directly at the boot. I'll cover it soon. I'll cover that monstrosity. Man, let's see how much paint's left. Where you been? Oh, God, man, 40 minutes tops? I don't know. Let's do a bit more, though. Yeah, it's definitely doing a bit more. Still fizzing? Yeah, maybe a little bit. I might just zhoosh it around with a paintbrush. See if I can activate a bit more. It's recording. Yeah, I'm just gonna zhoosh it around a bit with the paintbrush, see if I can. I think I need some more to activate. Just does the edges, really. Or in this paint anyway. Maybe I should have scratched it up. That's what I should have done. I did all that bonnet. I had me get a bit of roof as well, so they're working better. I just forget. Steep learning curve. Bloody good fun. Yeah, I think maybe it's time to get this paint stripper off. It's been on there for, over an hour. Well over an hour. Yeah, so I might just scrape. Get the scraper on it, see if I can scrape off as much as I can. And then like yesterday, my theory is, paint's a bit weakened up. easier to get off with the sander. Anyway, we'll see. Oh, so yummy. Look how blessed here. Wow. I think this is one of the best feelings in the world. I think I'm the opposite of most people. They want to paint their car. I love it when all the paint comes off. Oh, maybe that says something about me. Oh, that feels so good. We're getting close now. Oh, getting those seams. Oh, oh God. Ah. That'd be good. I mean, that bit's fucked. But anyway, I won't spend long on it. We'll see if they'll just pop off. But I got one off. Not too much trouble. But the camera wasn't on then. Ah. Tetanus. 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 Oh, jeez, man. It's going straight through there. It's going straight through. The whole thing's going to come off. Now that's what it feels like. But I'm committed, you know? Once you're committed, down here's been tricky. I can't get in there, so I'll just wait until I get those wheels off, or get the car off the ground, get the wheels off, and then finish that off. But I'd like to get it to a stage today where we can get that bloody anchor wax on and move on. As I'm not interested in getting it perfect. Just bare metal. Yeah. quick wrap up. I'm just about out of battery. 95% of the paint off that front panel. I was going to put some anchor wax on it, but A, I think I've run out of time, and B, there's just a couple of little bits I just want to get off a bit more. So hopefully I'll be back tomorrow, because I don't want to leave it for very long, in case it's, well, before it starts rusting. Fair bit off the front bar. Bit worried about taking too much, because I reckon the whole thing will just fall off, but anyway, we'll push it. A little bit off this, no sanding, but we put on some paint stripper, so getting there off that one. Same with the back panel, paint stripper. And the back, bit more paint stripper. And this panel, so bloody sandy. But getting there a little bit every day. Till next time.